Cut it, hey, cut it, cut my check, coming for the neck, take what I want cause I earn my respect, I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco. Hey you guys, and welcome back to FBK Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Lace Front Wig collection. I'm bringing this one in the style Natural Yaki 22 inches. This one is in the new color DRFF Dutch Cocoa. So let's just pipe right into the specs of this one. So this unit is a left side part, as you can see. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with the most minimal plucking of a hairline that I may have ever seen before. It does come with very, very sparse baby hairs. So let me just come in and show you guys this non-existent hairline, honey. So as you can see, like, this is my hair. This hairline is like non-existent, y'all. So there's going to be very minimal lace on this one to actually go in and customize the hairline. You're kind of able to get away with it because, as you can see, the hair is meant to kind of just fall over that portion of the hairline anyway. The front portion, where it's the most important, it's definitely doable. There's a little bit more lace there than on the sides for sure. As you can see, I kind of just did this full swoop of the baby hairs because, like I said, the baby hairs are super, super sparse. There's barely any of them. So you can go in and create even more of your own, but like I said, since the lace on the actual lace front is so minimal, it's kind of hard to actually get a super, super realistic look, honestly. So the density on this unit, it's super natural. This is like 130%. This is all the hair to the front. The texture, like it lists on the stock card, is Yaki. It's more so of like a relaxed Yaki, but I definitely am a fan of it. Didn't get any tangling, didn't get any shedding. The quality of the hair feels really nice. The length, like it was on the stock card, is 22 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs, so definitely very natural length, very natural density. This is definitely giving everyday hair. This is giving throw on and go for sure. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I did absolutely have to go in and add heat to this one because honestly, straight out of the box, this unit was giving hump action. So I did go in with my heat comb and just add some heat to get rid of that humpage. And then I did also go in with my wax stick to just adhere it down a little bit more. It's sitting more of how I would like it to. As far as the cap size on this one, as I do see with a lot of the Outre Lace Front Collection wigs, this one is definitely going to be small and medium head friendly. I wouldn't push it if you have a larger size head, just because I feel like this one's sitting on my head perfectly, and if it was any smaller, I wouldn't be able to do anything with it. There's not really much stretch to the cap, so I think if you do have a larger size head, this is probably going to be one that's not for you. I'm not getting shedding, not getting tangling. Super easy to just throw on in style. It's sort of a V cut, so you definitely do get that natural cut when it comes to this unit. It does seem also like there are some light face framing layers in it, which I am here for. So definitely throw on and go, minimal work. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My one and only number one con is just going to be, like I said, with a lot of these Outre lace front wig collection units, there's not really enough lace for you to go in and customize it the way that maybe you'd like to customize it. Like me, I'm a lazy girl. I just like to throw and go. I don't really need too many bells and whistles, especially on just a basic lace front unit. But I feel like if they were to just give us a little bit more lace, I mean, I feel like the way I've styled it is kind of just workable. But if you're extra and you just like your units to be extra, then that's definitely going to be a con, especially because if you got to consider if the wind is going to be flowing around, I don't want to be looking here crazy with not, you know, it's going to look like a round, crazy hairline. If the wind starts blowing around, like, you're going to be fine if you're inside or something and no fans or no nothing like that. But the fact that it's super rounded and there's not really much of lace of a hairline for you to customize, I feel like is a super big downside for me. But that's probably going to be the only con that I have with this unit. My pros are, number one, going to be the color. I feel like this color is really pretty. I like the fact that it has like this highlighted blondish sort of color in the front. And also at the bottoms, it's kind of sprinkled through nicely. They did a really good job with the color blend. I like the density. I like the texture, the length. Like I said, I feel like this is going to be a super, super good, cute, everyday unit. I feel like in a natural color, this one would be hitting. I would definitely wear it every day. As a whole, I mean, I feel like if you pick this one up, you won't be disappointed. The price is not outrageous. It's kind of bare minimum. It's a super easy, simple, sleek sort of style to get for a good price. I feel like if you were to pick it up, you won't be disappointed. But I mean, it's nothing special to me, and that's probably what to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors I need. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.